My name is Kiran Ramdu, and this video is based on setting up an FTP server and also accessing that FTP server inside of a network and also outside of a network. So what you need to do is download your FileZilla server. So you can just Google FileZilla, right? Select server download and download your, select this option here, this green option here, and download it. But I already downloaded it already, so you can just open it up, select OK, select edit, users. Right, I already created a username, but I'll just remove it for this tutorial, and I will select add, create, admin, select OK, select my password, or create my password, right, select shared folders, select add, and then browse for what folder you would like to basically share. So now I'll go to, what I'm going to do is share my music, right? So worship songs. Okay, yes, you just select your right, delete, create, delete. Once select these things, these options here, basically it gives you the option to write and delete the folder. So select OK. Now you can close this off. Right. So what we're going to do now is access the FTP server inside of a network. So in order to do that, you select start, type CMD, and I'm gonna type IP config in order to get my private IP address. So IP config and select enter. Now here you will see my private IP address. So what I'll do now is open up my browser, type FTP and my IP address, port 21, hit enter. Now I'll enter my username, which I created before, and my password in order to access the files. Login. There you see the folder that I selected. There's the various songs in the folder. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can access your FTP server outside of a network. For example, from a different city or place. So what you need to do is Google IP checking. Right? Once on this site will basically give you your public IP address. Once you get your public IP address from a different location, you can do the same thing, type FTP and your public IP address and port number, which is 21, and you will be able to access your files from a remote location. So thank you for watching my video. I've just showed you how to set up an FTP server and how to access your FTP server from inside of your network and also outside of your network.